Will you push the button?
You have the power to control almost everyone in the world and make them your slaves, but one person will be immune and will overthrow and kill you in 15 years. Will you push the button? You get a button that gives you first I'll send dollars every time you press, but every time you press you have to relive the worst memory of your life. Will you push the button? You can enhance any sense you want to superhuman levels, but you lose one other sense of your choice. Will you push the button? You end world hunger, but at the cost of your eyesight, and no one will ever believe you. Will you push the button?